If you can make a poster in Canva, you can make a website in Canva. That is the pitch, and it is true, which is also the problem. This is Misa Reviews. So this is Canva's website builder. 837 templates, and the same editor you already know. Drag anything, anywhere, any font, any size, no grid fighting you. Publishing is one button. Free gets you a Canva subdomain and light Canva branding. For a link in bio, an event page, a portfolio of images, or a one-page menu, it is quick and it looks good. Genuinely, if the job is one screen of nice-looking content, this beats wrestling a real website builder. Then, the wall. It is a one-page builder. No second page, no blog, no shop, and no forms, so you cannot collect an email address. And the search problem is worse than it sounds. Canva sizes text with styling rather than proper heading tags, so a search engine cannot see any structure on your page at all. The money is the other half. Custom domain and no branding mean Canva Pro, which is $119.99 a year. That is real website builder money for a one-page site. Card does the same thing for $19 a year.
5 out of 10. Fast, familiar, free to try, and losing half its points because the free version is branded and the paid version is priced like something far more capable. Do this. If you already pay for Canva Pro, use it for one-page sites and enjoy it. If you do not, spend $19 on Card instead and keep the $100. If that saved you $100 a year, hit like and subscribe to Misa Reviews and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.